Hey guys, this is Kingsley from kingobina.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can start a print-on-demand business with no money. Guys, so I'm going to show you the platform that you can use to start this print-on-demand business, even if you don't have any money, guys. So before we dive straight into it, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, because in this channel I drop awesome videos that will teach you the way to make money online, tech, blogging, and lots of other opportunities as well. So in today's video, like I said, I'm going to teach you how you can start a print-on-demand business even without money. So guys, the platform which you're going to use, or the way you want to start this business that I recommend is redbubble.com. guys. This is the platform, redbubble.com. So all you need to do is, you need to just come here and sign up, like sell your art, sign up for your services. So I'll show you some products which are as in what you can do and sell in this product. So as you can see, this one says here shop t-shirt. So you can sell these t-shirts like these ones on this platform and even make money for yourself. And guys, you don't even have to be a graphic designer. So I'm going to show you a tool where you can just create designs, and all you have to do is just impute these designs on any t-shirt after creating your account, which I'm going to show you in the next video, how to create an account, and how to design those products even if you're not a graphic designer, guys. So like I see, let me say I like this shirt and I click on it. It's gonna take me straight up to the shirts tab. So look at the shirts tab right now. Let's say I say I like this men's t-shirt. I click on it. So this is the men's t-shirt right now. Let me scroll down. Look at it here. So look at this men's t-shirt. You can just click on any one that I like here. Let me say I like this classic, and I click on it. So you're gonna see classic men t-shirts. Look at this one. Look at it. And all these guys have to do here is just impute these graphic designs on these shirts, and this one is going for $20.94, $20.10, $21.21, and the rest of them. So in the next video I'm going to show you how you can create this design, but I just want you to know that you can start this even if you don't have any money at all. So the platform where you can create all these designs and impute on this t-shirt, it's Canva, guys. I've always preached about Canva. You can use it to do a lot of things. I know I'm not gonna talk much on Canva right now, but you can just come here and type in something like type in something like shirts. Let me say shirts. So it's gonna bring t-shirts. I click on t-shirts. So it's gonna bring all these designs, graphic designs. So all these graphic design, you can just edit it. Let's say this one right here, this one is great. Just click on it. It's gonna bring you straight up into this interface, and you just have to design this the more if you want to design it, or edit it again if you really want to edit it, or if you like the way it is, all you need to do is just to download this straight up into your computer. And after downloading it, then you just take it up and paste it on a shirt, and whenever somebody buys that shirt, guys, you get paid even if you don't have any money. So you don't need to have money to run this business. This is a very good business opportunity, and a lot of people are not taking. So you can do a lot of things, not really t-shirt. As you can see here, this is the clothing lines. You can see all clothing, dress, food, and the rest of them. You can see the stickers. You can see a lot of stickers. You can see the marks. Marks is some board right because of the stuff, pandemic. But you can do marks. You can do phone cases. Let's say phone cases. Let's say iPhone cases, so that you see some of the designs that have been laid on iPhone cases. And whenever somebody purchases any of these design and it's yours, you get paid, guys. Commission, guys, get paid. Let's say this one is beautiful. As you can see, these are the different iPhone cases that we have here. These are iPhone 11 Pro phone case. Let's say somebody just come here and click on this one, and maybe like he or she likes it, and he clicks on this one. You're gonna take the person straight to the cart, and whenever the person makes a purchase, guys, as you can see, it brings me here. Don't talk to strangers iPhone case. This is the it's an iPhone 11 Pro case. as you can see, this is the delivery. So guys, you don't even have to worry about the delivery. It's going to do all the, what you just have to do is create this design, input it. As you can see, the design here, this design this person created, just this design, and whenever if I add this to cart and make a purchase right there, it's going to deliver. This company Redbubble is going to deliver this, go straight to me, and once it's delivered, you get a commission for the sale. Man, it's that simple and straightforward. So in my next video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create an account, and optimize your designs and place them perfectly and everything. So if you want to see that video, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment so that I'll do that video. So I'm sure you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed, and expect more videos from me next. Thank you very much for watching.